using bioenzyme as a dishwasher is a good habit and you can also follow. So bioenzyme is very easy to prepare at home. So you use citrus peels or pineapple peels, use jaggery and water and keep this for 90 days and you have this amazing concentrate liquid like this. I've been using it for many years. I barely spend 5 minutes a day making it. And also I have many uses which I use it for. One is dishwashing liquid, one is for mopping the floors, and also use it for the garden and for plants. And if I can do it, I'm sure you guys can do it and make a difference to using eco-friendly products.
This World Environment Day, pick up a good habit and contribute to environmental protection.